Okay guys, a brand new radio that's been freshly done up here. We had the little brother to this one in here the other day, PC68 LTX. This is one of the new model Uniden's PC78 LTX. Just going to be taking a look at it. Basically all the controls on the front of it, pretty self-explanatory. It does have the very popular high cut receive filtering over there to the right, and even with the noise blanker off, we're not getting much static. Then if you put the noise blanker in, no static at all. A lot of radios are prone to just having that low level static, no matter if you're on a dummy load or whatever, but with the noise blanker and the high cut in there, you basically get no noise with this radio. As far as what's been done to it, it's got a variable power, variable carrier control over here. We'll demonstrate that here in a second and show you the range of that. And it does have a echo board right here, so dual controls, and you've got the Palomar TRB X4 echo board. I sell these, very popular, very small echo board. These and the Ranger 2015s, I think they're also called like a XB2 or something. These are very popular, these Palomar X4s. Good sounding echo board, wide open. You get the repeat echo. You can set them up for reverb, echo, whatever you want. If you're somebody that likes echo, you can get a real good sound out of them. Personally, I don't really run echo a whole lot, but with these you can get kind of that big room sound, or you can get, you know, obnoxious with it and have a lot of reverb, or have the repetitive echo where it's like hello, 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 and it just keeps going, endless echo, if you will. Now this radio's been hot rodded quite a bit, I guess you'd say. I don't really like to use the term competition tune. Seems like such a generic sales pitch kind of term that people use, but it is hopped up. It's got very strong modulation, very good output. As you can see, we've got the mic gain down at about 9 o'clock, and we are running a dynamic mic on it. So the Superstar 507, a CM4 is what this is, same thing, just a different body. Known to have very good, you know, I guess you'd say voice response, frequency response. Lots of audio in these mics, even though they don't have a battery. You might, if you want to run the mic gain higher, I would suggest using a noise canceling mic like a 636, a Ranger SRA 198. You can run one of those mics on here and still be plenty of loud. Now, a lot of people don't like running those mics on radios because you end up not having enough modulation and not being loud enough, depending on how the radio was done up. With this radio right here, you might even be better suited to use a noise canceling hand mic on it, just because, like I said, it has got plenty of modulation. You certainly don't want to use a power mic on this radio. A noise canceller or one of the Superstars is plenty. We'll show you the output of it here for the variable power control. Now you'll notice, one thing I did notice, the little antenna light tries to kick on if you have no dead key. But as soon as you get like half a watt, it kicks off. So we can go from 0 all the way up to 6 watts, as you can see there in the background. And let me move the camera here a little closer and zoom in so you can see a little better there. We'll just leave it on the stand for this video. So about 6 watts. Some people are probably glad I'm using the tripod for this video, so they don't get motion sickness watching me move the camera around. So 6 watts, wide open. Audio, about 9 watts average. If you're just talking in the mic, normal average power, about 8 watts. Oh, radio, check, check, audio, check, check, audio, check, 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 audio. Like I said, this thing is killer as far as modulation packed radio. We'll go to peak and show you what it does here for PEP. It's going to show a whole lot of PEP power, I can already tell you that. Check, 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 audio, check, check, audio, check, check. Over 40 PEP on the Bird 43, talking between 35 and 40. Now, if we audio, it'll audio over 45. Audio, check, audio, and you can just tell by the way the meter's moving. It is modulation packed. Audio, check, audio, check, audio, check, audio, check, audio. It's probably not going to show that much on a Dosi. I would guess probably around 35 or so on a Dosi. For whatever reason, Dosi meters seem to show tighter on peak power. I guess because they don't read true PEP. And I don't know where they come up with their RMS or average number at, because a bird reads a ton tighter on average. So the Dosis read a little bit tighter on peak. The birds read a ton tighter on average or RMS. So that's it. That's a review of the radio. This one will be going on the website. Like I said, this one's been hot rodded quite a bit. Very hot radio. And I like the way it turned out myself. Nice little radio here, compact radio. Lots of, just the basic features on it. But as far as an everyday talker, I think this thing will do a heck of a good job. I was real skeptical about these new Unidens, and that little 68 kind of opened my eyes to it. And they are dynamite in a small package. Modulation packed. They sound good, very loud, very clear. Like I said, now you could make this one sound like crap if you wanted to run the mic gain wide open, but as long as you maintain some mic gain control, super good sounding radio, especially with the TRB X4 Echo board in it. We'll just go ahead and turn these controls all the way back. Somebody have a fresh start when they get it. But this one will be for sale on the website, guys. roostercb.com. It'll be done up, ready to go. And the price that it's on there for, it will be free shipping with that price. So I'll probably put a link to it down here in the video. Uniden PC78LTX. All right, appreciate it, guys. Everybody have a good one. Rooster in Tennessee. Questions, comments, shoot me a text. 423-299-3535. Catch you guys out there. See you, bye.